What is going on, guys? Here is yet another tutorial on how to make a really good grilled cheese sandwich. So, yeah, first off, what you want to do is add some butter on the pan. And right there at the beginning, I was just showing you one that was finished so you know what they look like. But, yeah, you want to get all that butter nice and melted on there, because you don't want your bread sticking to the pan now, do ya? And right there, I just buttered up some bread on the side, because I mean that makes it taste a lot better. And I'm just going ahead right here and buttering up the other piece of bread. So yeah, I had some shredded cheese to work with, so I went ahead and used that. You can use sliced cheese, but I put some shredded cheese there in the middle, because I mean that was pretty good. Okay, and then I added on the other piece of bread onto there, and I am now going to let it cook for a little bit, and then I'll get back to you when that is done. Okay, I just flipped it, and this side looks good, so now you can go ahead and add some cheese on the outside. Now this is where you'll need shredded cheese. This is what makes it have that Cheezit flavor, I guess. You don't want to leave it on the cheese side too long, because then it won't taste right, but you gotta leave it on for just the right amount of time, and then it will taste magnificent. Just take my word for it. And you will now add cheese to this side, the one that has not had cheese on it yet. And then we'll let the other side cook, but it won't cook as long as the bread did, because it's just melting the cheese and adding kind of a crisp layer to it. So yeah, you just gotta make sure you don't leave it on there too long. That right there is about how you want it to look. It could be on there maybe a little less, but I mean it was close enough. I mean it was pretty good, so. Okay, and now it is done. You can go ahead and feast on some of that. Thank you for watching and enjoy.